Hi there, welcome to Orcja English. I hope you are doing well today. Let's learn how to pronounce the word poverty. Poverty. It has three syllables. ʻpʒv.ti. Poverty. The word poverty means the state of being poor, lacking money, resources, or basic necessities. Let's see some examples. Many families live in poverty due to unemployment. Education can help lift people out of poverty. You might also hear poverty affects health, housing, and opportunity. In British English, the stress is on the first syllable, ʻpʒv, and the middle sound is soft and relaxed, and the final T is light, not sharp. So remember, poverty is a serious word, but the pronunciation is gentle and steady. Say it clearly and respectfully. Poverty. Perfect, you have got it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Orcja English for more lessons like this. I wish you best of luck on this English learning journey and especially improving pronunciation and accent.